If Slack is giving you a file upload error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get your file uploaded and get back to work. This is a simple troubleshooting process, and most of the time the issue comes down to your connection, the file itself, or a temporary browser glitch. If this video helps, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's start with the first thing you should check: your internet speed. A slow or unstable connection can easily interrupt a Slack upload, especially if you're sending a larger file. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run a quick test to see how your connection is performing. If the speed looks unusually low, or if the connection keeps dropping, that could be the reason Slack is failing to upload your file. If the connection seems weak, the next best move is to switch networks. For example, if you're currently on Wi-Fi, try connecting through a mobile hotspot. If you're on a hotspot already, try switching back to Wi-Fi. This simple change often fixes upload errors right away because it rules out a network-specific issue. Slack needs a stable connection to send files properly, so this is one of the fastest things you can test. Now, if the network looks fine, refresh the page. Sometimes Slack just needs a quick reload to clear a temporary loading issue. A page refresh can reset the upload session and fix weird browser behavior without any extra troubleshooting. After refreshing, try uploading the file again and see if the error is gone. If it still doesn't work, check the file size. Slack has upload limits, so if your file is too large, the upload may fail even if everything else is working correctly. Compare your file size against Slack's current limit and make sure it falls within the allowed range. If it's too big, you may need to compress the file, reduce the resolution, or split it into smaller parts before trying again. Next, check the file type. Not every file format is supported in every situation, and Slack may reject files it can't process properly. Make sure the file is in a supported format before uploading. If needed, convert it to a more common file type and try again. This is especially helpful when you're dealing with unusual file formats or exported files from other apps. After going through these steps, try the upload one more time. In many cases, one of these quick fixes will solve the problem immediately. Start with the internet speed, then switch networks, refresh the page, and finally confirm the file size and file type. That sequence will solve most Slack upload errors without wasting time. If the issue is still happening after all of that, it may be worth trying another browser or checking whether Slack is having a temporary service issue. But for most users, the steps in this video are enough to get things working again. If this tutorial helped you fix the Slack file upload error, please give the video a like, subscribe for more easy tech fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.